What do you say?
We love Daddy.
Yes. What?
I love you.
I love you too. What are you doing? What are you doing?
See this?
Yeah, I do. What are you gonna do?
Can I do the tiger?
Are you gonna put them on by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you do it?
They feel a little backwards?
Are they backwards?
Yeah.
You wanna try again?
We want to try this.
Okay.
Let's try again.
Okay. The string goes in front, big guy.
Tag goes, no, where's the tag go? Tag goes on the floor, right? Eli, they're backwards. Eli, you gotta get the string in front.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah?
Eli,
What's this?
wait. There you go. Try that. Wow, Hannah.
Oops, use my snorkel. I always could have snorkeling on film.
Evidence.
Want me to do that again?
Sure.
All right.
That's cool, Hannah. Eli, you did it. What are you doing now? All states?
Eli, you ready for a shirt?
So,
Warm shirt.
All states puzzle?
yeah. My kindergarten.
Sweetie, I'll be there to help you once I get your shirt.
Eli, say hi.
Hi.
Look at me. Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
Hannah, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, camera.
Hi, camera.
When you were little, Hannah,
Yeah.
we were living at Grammy and Peepop's,
Yeah.
and Mommy and I took you to gymnastics
Yeah.
in Kennebunkport.
Yeah.
I have a video of you jumping on the trampoline. And you're like 2 years old, and you're talking to the camera, and you're like, "Hi, camera, I'm jumping on the trampoline."
Great
It
video.
was really great. Now look at you. You're gorgeous and 6.5, and wow, just fantastic.
Oops. Here, Eli. Shirt.
You gonna give us a jump?
Careful.
Make sure if you're gonna jump, you jump this way and not toward the window. Thump.
We gotta get you another Kleenex.
Whoa!
Okay,
Hey, today's May 25th, which means we have one more week in our house and then in our apartment, and then we're moving to our new house.
Did we miss Jane's birthday?
No, I called. Hannah, 4 years we've been here. 4 years. That is totally most of your life.
Eli.
Sometimes it feels like most of my life. Okay, no more jumping on the chair.